This is Ranger Kidwell Ross. I'm the director of the World Sweeping Association and the editor of worldsweeper.com. Today we have a very informative presentation for you, the first of two parts. It is with a gentleman named Daniel Stauty, and Daniel is the son of Carl and Lori Stauty, who began commercial power sweeping in 1986. And they have since not only won a number of awards, but have raised a son who has taken over their building maintenance division, which is an enormous side of the commercial power sweeping organization, Daniel. To see the stature of the company that we'll be talking with today, these are the different awards and honors, and probably not all inclusive, the commercial power sweeping has won. I'm pleased that the company is an advisory board and founding member of the World Sweeping Association. They were the second company in the country to be NAPSA certified as a certified sweeping company through that organization. They were our Award of Excellence in Power Sweeping early on in 2013. And more recently, last year, they were Sweeper of the Year with Pavement Magazine. And that is also an enormous honor on the national scale. Daniel today will be discussing these variety of topics in part one of our two-part series and Zoomcast with Daniel, pavement patching and repair, and all the things that might go into that, signage, which they do all manner of signage, and suggested signage that's needed on properties, and traffic control, and some of the different things that go along there. And we'll also be talking about how they develop their sub network, how they work with their subs, and how they decide which projects to do on their own and which to sub out. Part two of our Zoomcast will be this one, where we'll be discussing the variety of exterior services the company provides, and then the interior services the company provides. And they have a very large section that is seasonal and event decoration for some number of their 250 total properties that they sweep and manage. So with that as way of introduction, let me introduce you to the actual person we'll be talking today, the guy with all the knowledge, Daniel Stauty. So Daniel, thanks for joining us today. So Daniel, welcome to our Zoomcast on this really important topic of all the other things you can do besides sweep when you're a parking area sweeper. And if you would start off with a little bit about your background and how you got started in this. I know you probably had the commercial power sweeping logo on your baby bottle at some point back in time, but tell people about that.
No, absolutely. Thank you for having me. Grew up with it, with it being a family business with mom and dad both running it. Kind of grew up around it, especially around dinner table, but been full-time with the company since I was right after high school. And so now we're going on 14 years in the industry, and started cleaning trucks as a young age, and then slowly developed through each phase of the business.
And you have, as I recall, you said something like 250 parking lot clients, and that. Let's talk about that a little bit. The size. Let's just develop some.
Yeah, the portfolio we have on the retail sweeping is we're roughly over 250 shopping centers, and we're up to close to 30, right at 30 employees now with 3 shifts. We have our parking lot sweeping division, our street sweeping division, and then what we're here to talk about, which is the parking lot maintenance division. the variety of services you can add on top of your retail sweeping division.
All right.